Hello my lovelies, welcome back. In today's video, I would like to take you back to the Chanel store to review the most popular grayish color for the B21 fall winter collection. Look at this is 3 different grayish color here. They are very beautiful in person, guys. Alright, first up, we have this small boy bag with the dark gray color. Guys, the color are really beautiful in person. I fall in love with them. Every one of them that I tried on, I love them all. I am in big trouble now. Alright, next up we have the small business infinity in caviar leather. This is the light gray color. It's very beautiful also. It looks different than the first one. Open it up, it's just one big compartment with the small zipper compartment in the front. Next up we have this small 20cc in lambskin with gold hardware. The color is dark gray color. Very beautiful in person. Again guys, if you got interested, I suggest that you go to the store and check it out yourself, because the picture or a video will not show you the correct color that you see in person. So yeah, go to the store and check it out. It's very beautiful. The price for this one is $5,600. Next up, we have the Chanel 19 handbag with lambskin, gold and silver hardware, grayish color, but this gray is different than the earlier one, a little bit lighter, but a little bit darker than the Business Infinity bag. So it's in between. Guys, I fall in love with this bag. Look at that. It's so beautiful and different. I really like this one. Is $5,700.